Hi everybody, happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, November 12th, and we are doing spelling again with Mrs. Durham, so hopefully you are in the right place and are ready to do some spelling. If you are looking for what work we're doing today, it looks like this today is ABC order. And then on the back we're going to do a little some more mystery work, but we're going to be combining some words together. So that'll be cool. So if you have your ABC order, we're actually going to start right into ABC order because it does take a little while. So go ahead and get your ABC order paper out and get ready to work with me. So on your ABC order list, you have all of our spelling words from the week. Let's read them together. Okay, mine is on the board, but it looks just like what yours should look like. So let's read these spelling words together. Ready? Lend, send, fast, past, sink, wink, bug, run, of, who. Good job. I'm going to point to them now, and I want you to read them when I point to them, okay? How did it go? Did you say them all correctly? If so, great job, and keep practicing them because you're doing an awesome job with these spelling words this week. Don't forget all these spelling words, most of them besides our review words and our high frequency words over there, have that blend on the end that have two letters that make that sound together like st, nk, nd. They have that sound at the end that we talked about in phonics this week too. So, to be able to go through and put these in ABC order, we always have to start with the beginning of the alphabet and the first letter of the alphabet, which is A. So when I read through these, I kind of like read the first letter just to check. So like the way I go through it is I'm like L, S, F, P, S, W, B, R, O, W. So I go through it just to make sure I know what those beginning letters are to check to see if there's any A's. Now, when I just read through it, I did not hear any A's. So there are no A words. Cross off A. How about B? B. L, S, F, P, S, W, B. B! R, O, F. F. O, F, spelled of, but O, W. I wanted to go through and make sure that there was not more than one B. Because a lot of times if you see a B, you'll be like, oh, that's it. But you got to be careful because if you have to have a battle between two words to see which one comes first, you don't want to miss out on it. So I checked there is only one B, and that is the word bug. So number one is bug. Bug, B-U-G. We're going to circle the letter B because we did have one under the letter B. And then I'm going to cross off the word bug. That way I don't go back and try to put it on my list again. So write down bug. All right, next is the letter C. L, S, F, P, S. Nope, I don't see a C. How about a D? No D. E? No E. Do you notice that each time I kind of go through and I just check those beginning letters just to make sure? Is there an F? Ooh, there's an F. Double check to make sure there's no more. Okay, the next one is an F. So we do have an F word, and it is fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Fast. Could you write down that answer? Fast? Okay, that is the only F word, so we're going to keep going. G. Nope, no G's. H. No H. I. No I. J. No J. K. Nope. L. Ooh, I have one right here. Let's make sure. Okay, there are no more. So number 3 is lend. L-E-N-D. Remember, that's like if you're going to let somebody borrow something. We're going to circle the letter L because we had one under the letter L. Lend. Lend. Very nice. How about any M? Nope, no M's. Any N? Nope. Wow, this is a list where it's really at the end of the alphabet because we're only on number 3. And we still have 7 words left. Wow. How about the letter O? I see one right there. What word is that? Of. O-F. We did have one. O-F. Of. Wow, that's awesome. I double checked too to make sure that there was no more. The next one is the letter P. Oh, I found a P. Just double check. Okay, there's only one P. So we have the word past. Something that has already happened. P-A-S-T. Past. Circle your P because we had one there. Past. P-A-S-T. Something that has already happened. Past. Okay, that's the first half. See how quickly we just filled in those ones? That was pretty quick. Okay. How about any Q's? Nope. R. Wait, I see one. Let me double check. Okay, there's only one R. Run. R-U-N. Run. Run. That's a review word. Okay, the next one is S. Send. Sink. Ooh, we have a battle. We got a battle. Okay, it's between the word send and the word sink. So let's come over here. I'm going to write them down. Send and sink. Okay, so let's check it out. S and S, those are a tie. Those are the same letters. E versus I. E is right there. I is right there. Which one is closest to this side of the alphabet? Because this is the beginning. So E or I, which one's closer to this side? E. So send is our winner because E is closer than I to the beginning of the alphabet. So send is our winner, and sink came in second place. S-I-N-K, sink. Don't forget to mark them off. Okay, so remember, I look at it letter by letter. S and S were the same. E versus N. E was closer to the beginning of the alphabet rather than I. E-I. It was closer. Okay, we have no T's. We have no U's. We have no V's. I can look at my last 2 words. Look, they both have W's. We're going to go to the W's. But it's another battle because it's 2 W words. So we have wink, W-I-N-K, and who. Wink and who. Let's compare them, okay? So we have W's are the same. I versus H. Oh, you guys. I versus H. Look up here. Here's H and here's I. They are right next to each other. Which one is closer to this way, towards the beginning of the alphabet, towards A? H or I? Which one is on this side? H. That is the closest battle. H. So actually the word who is the winner because it is W-H. So who gets to go first because it is the winner. Wow. And then wink. That I is so close to winning, but that H was closer to the beginning. Wow. What a close race. Wow, wow, wow. Go ahead and pause me now if you need to finish writing that. But that was so cool. We literally waited till the second half of the alphabet after number 3. We finished the rest of the alphabet. And then we had 2 battles, and this one was by 1 letter. What? Okay, when you're done with that, go ahead and unpause me. And then get out your paper that looks like this that says spelling blends up here. It says spelling with end blends. We're going to do a couple of these together. And then I'm going to let you try to finish it on your own. Sound good? So, we have our spelling words, so let's say them together. Lend, sink, send, wink, fast, of, past, who. So those are the words that we're using. So we are going to use the clues. So there's where we become investigators again. Use the clues to write a spelling word on the line. Okay? So number 1, we're looking for a spelling word that starts like pen and ends like last. So look how pen starts. It starts with a P, so it starts with a P, and then it ends in ast. So P, and then has the same ending. P, a, st. What spelling word is that? Past. That was the secret word. P-A-S-T. Past. Good job. Okay, number 2. It starts like look. So it starts like la and ends like blend. It would be helpful if I could talk, huh? And it ends like bend. So it has end at the end. Get it? End at the end. So la, like the beginning of look, and the ending, which is end, makes la end. What spelling word is that? Lend. Lend. L-E-N-D. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to let you guys try finishing number 3 through 6, so you have 4 more to try. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then at the bottom it says write the spelling word on the line. All you have to do is practice writing the spelling word. How easy is that? Wow. Okay, so I'll show you that one more time if you needed to see it. But you're finding the beginning sound of the word, so starts like sad. So going to start with a S and ends like ink. So starts with a S, ends with ink. S, ink. Big hint right there. Big hint. So we found out past, lend, and the rest are for you to find out. Okay, how do you guys feel about spelling this week? This is our last day of spelling, so make sure that you're still practicing at home, practicing just writing your words. Another good thing to just practice at home is just spelling the words out loud. So having a family member or a brother or sister or babysitter or whoever say, practice the word bug, and they say bug, and you say B-U-G. And then you practice the next one. That is an awesome way to practice your spelling words because you're hearing it and you're kind of picturing it in your mind when you're trying to spell a word out loud. You picture how you write it when you're spelling it. So it really helps you memorize those letters. So if you have any questions, let me know. But thank you for doing spelling with me today, and I will see you guys next week for something new. Bye!